What's happening YouTube's boy Tech Tricks, back to another video, and today we're looking at the WashVac F20 by Prosenic. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when next videos come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Basically, this is a wet and dry mop vacuum, and you'll be able to mop your floors and also vacuum it at the same time so that you're not leaving leaks and also water on the ground. If you ever spill something, you can use this as well to suck it all up. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. Oh, it's a unit right here. Take it out of the plastic. There we go. And then what we're looking at here is the base station, the handle as well, cleaning brush, new filter, plug-in, extra vacuum brush, base station right here, and then the owner's manual. There you go. Go ahead and test this out. So as you can see here, we've planned out a few scenarios here. Some ketchup, some cereal, milk, and also some syrup. Let's go ahead and try out the vacuum and see if it's gonna be able to get rid of all this. To turn on the vacuum, just put your foot here and then tilt it back. It'll automatically turn on. So you could see here, it's doing a mopping already, and right away that ketchup is gone. I'm gonna do the cereal here. Struggled a little bit there, but it's doing a good job. And the milk as well, as you could see, doing a really great job of just sucking it all up. If you have leaks and spills just like this one, great for kids who just run around and spill stuff. And also some sticky stuff, you know, the tough syrup. Syrup stains are really hard to clean because of the stickiness, but because of this, it's be able to suck it all up and also mop it so that it gets rid of the smell and also the stickiness. If you've noticed as well, it's changing its suction power depending on what's on the floor. The vacuum is on smart mode right now, so everything is automatic. It'll detect it for you. All you need to do is just use it on the floor. After you've cleaned, of course, the tank will be dirty and the brush will be dirty, so let's do a self-cleaning.
By starting the self-cleaning function.
Let's go ahead and click this button for self-cleaning.
Start self-cleaning. Please wait while the disinfectant is being made.
When you are cleaning like ketchup, it does smell just a tad bit. The disinfectant here will also help get rid of that odor.
The disinfectant is ready. Cleaning roller brush. Deep cleaning. Self-charging. Drying roller brush.
One of the cool features of the Prosenic as well is it has self-drying. As you can see here, it has UV lights that will dry up the brush so that you're ready for the next time. Another cool feature of the Prosenic is also the dirty water tank. It separates the dry and also the wet material that you've sucked out from the floor. When cleaning it, all you need to do is separate the top like so. Get rid of the filter as well so that you can clean that out. When we take off this top part, as you can see, the dry particles will be separated from the wet stuff, so that's really good. When you are trying to dump things, you can dump the dry ones on the garbage. The dirty water can just go into a sink and it won't clog your sink or anything like that. There's also the Prosenic app so that you can change settings on the vacuum. Go ahead and register and log in. Once you've downloaded and logged in, we're gonna go ahead and add a device, which is the F20. Hit the plus button up top and then look for the F20. After you found the vacuum, we're gonna go ahead and connect it to a Wi-Fi connection, which is the only 2.4 gigahertz. It doesn't work on 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Here, as you can see, once it's all ready to go, You'll be able to change the settings from smart, max, sterilization, or suction. You can also see the records of your cleaning and also change the settings here as well. Let's look at the base station now. Everything that you need, brush and also new roller and filter is all here. There's also the option button and also the power button right here. When you are charging the battery, there are two options. You can get rid of it like this. As you can see, it's detachable, and then you could place it on the base station by charging it like so. Or you can keep it on the vacuum because it'll charge it there as well. This is really useful when you're cleaning around the home. You can have a couple of battery going at the same time so that you can change it out when you need more juice to clean your house. There's also a display indicator will tell you all the options and also the battery status like so. If you want to change out the brush, all you need to do is just click this, pull that off. The top comes off as well for easy access. And then you could pull off the brush and replace it with a new one. To put it back is real easy as well. Just do the exact same way but the reverse version of it and you'd be ready to go. There's also a mute button on the back if you don't want it speaking all the time. You know, if people are sleeping and you don't want them to disrupting them, you can click that as well. Now the back is the water tank, so you can fill up the water here. And then this is the one that will be used to clean the floors. The top has a little cap like so that just push in and out really quickly so that you can fill it up with water. And then to put it back, it's just one click away. And that's for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a new wet and dry vacuum. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.